Hi, this is Tea with Jann, and I am Jann. Please excuse this. I am not feeling great, but received a tea box and I wanted to open it because tea makes you feel better. So let's open this. Right, Jeanette?
Right.
Jeanette's helping to make sure I don't cut my face off. Of course, has the sticker. It's upside down. There you go. It smells delightful. So this is the new Valentine's Day. If you're new to my channel, we talk about tea things and tea wear, and I'm usually much better than this and much more excitement, but yeah. Oh, I think we got some gifts, so I'll have to make sure that we take those out. But we got packing stuff.
That's not a gift.
That's not a gift. All right, first up, we got the squish, and we got it in strawberry rhubarb. Well, strawberry rhubarb parfait is the tea that I love for the summer. So I thought that these gummy bears, gummy strawberries would be delightful.
Why does DAVIDsTEA sell those?
Oh, so DAVIDsTEA sells these because it's like their sister company, Squish. But I don't think you can get Squish online in the DAVIDsTEA USA. But yeah, you guys let me know in the comments. Or if you've tried these.
So they're not made with tea?
They're not made with tea. Then we got dragon fruit aloe, which I absolutely adore. And I did a video on that. And I promise I won't eat all of this. I will drink the tea. All right, next up, I got sticky rice oolong because somebody told me how great it was, and if I can remember who that was, I'll let you know. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try this. I'm sure it's going to be delightful. Next up, we got some of the Valentine's Day stuff. So we got chocolate covered strawberry. We will taste. The one I was very excited for is rose oolong. Let's see. Rose oolong. So I love oolong tea and I love roses. I think I might love them together. I hope. Then we got this pretty tin because it's really pretty. Why'd you buy that, Jan? Because it's really pretty. And we got this other really pretty tin. Poor Jeanette. But look at the hearts all over it. It's so pretty. And this one has the hearts all over it too. Oh, and then I got the Lunar New Year collection, which I know not many people have talked about this, but it has a bunch in it that I wanted to try. So Butterfly Jasmine I already have, and it's really good. Buddha's Blend is great. Organic Sip of Sage, I haven't tried that one yet. Vanilla Orchid I haven't tried yet. And then there's some that I don't know how to pronounce. So that's fun. This is what I was really excited for. I've never ever had one before. And I went on the DAVIDsTEA site, the DAVIDsTEA fan site on Facebook. And I asked which tumbler everybody liked the most, or which DAVIDsTEA, what are these called?
Is it a thermos?
Yeah, like a
travel
mug. And everybody went insane about this perfect tumbler. And I had always dismissed them. They're really big. It's very big. Because I don't know why, but I thought it was plastic inside, but it's not. It's metal. So, and people say, and I think it was throwing me because it had the plastic on the top. Not quite sure if I'm gonna love it or not, but I absolutely adore the color. It's like shimmery purple. I can't remember what they call it. But it also comes with the straw. I don't like that the straw is plastic. I don't even have it out and I'm already like, I don't like that. Yeah, but it comes with the bottle brush too. But I have metal straws that I can use if I wanted to. But people say that they're really great. I probably should have gotten the smaller one. This is really big. Like, that's big. So I'm gonna test this out and then I'll let you know. How does this work?
You take the lid off and then thread the straw up through so that it won't come out.
Oh, this is what we have her here for. So you can do the straw or...
That's how it's supposed to work.
No, it does. Yeah. I just wonder if this chips too.
We'll find out.
Yeah. Or you can do it this way and you just have like a little thing. So people said that like it was probably like 90% of the people that answered said that the perfect tumbler was their like most favorite one. Because I was looking at like the different tea presses and stuff. So anyways, I will test it out. I think it would be really great for iced stuff, especially. So I was going to get the smaller one, which maybe I probably should have. But maybe that's just an excuse to get a different one later. All right. And with that, I am going to say that that's all. I hope to test out... I really want to try the rose oolong, so maybe that'll make me feel better today, and maybe I'll try that. Yeah. Oopsie. All right. I will see you in the comments. Until next time, take care. Bye.